session, we're going to be making this very simple friendship bracelet. It's just a simple braided bracelet. Let's get started. You're going to need 6 pieces of yarn. I have chosen these 3 colors and I've cut them about 14 inches long. Now I'm going to start by measuring my wrist. I'm going to use this white strip of paper, just a strip of paper. I'm going to put it around my wrist like so, and it helps to have a friend if you want to do this craft. And I'm just going to bend where it needs, and that gives me an idea of the size of my wrist, and I'm going to mark that line. And now I'm going to add 2 inches above that line, and that's going to tell me how long my bracelet needs to be, because I'm going to tie the bracelet. Okay, now I'm going to start by tying a knot on all 6 ends to line them up. Okay, now let's tie a knot. I'm going to loop it around my 2 fingers like so, and it's going to form a circle. And now I'm going to bring it into that circle and through. Okay, and now I'm going to pull, and that's going to be my knot. I'm going to use my tape. Since I don't have a friend here, I'm going to use my tape to secure it to the surface. Okay. Now I'm going to separate my colors, and I've chosen colors that would allow you to see what I'm doing as I am doing it. If you don't know how to braid, this is a good tutorial. Okay, so now I have separated my 3 colors. I'm going to start with the right, and I'm going to bring it to the middle. Then I'm going to take the left, and I'm going to bring it to the middle. I'm going to take the right and bring it to the middle. And I'm going to continue like that. Now I've got to tighten it up a bit at the top. Okay, so right onto middle, left onto middle, right, left. And that's all I'm doing. I'm bringing the right and left into the middle each time. Now, how far am I going to braid? Well, that is why I measured my wrist, because I know that I want to stop at the end of that sheet of paper, because I've lined up my mark with the top there, and so this is where my end should be. So once I've gotten to that point, okay, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to form another knot. Okay, pull. And now that we have our bracelet, we're just going to trim off the excess yarn like so. And there we have our friendship bracelet. You do need a friend to help you to tie it onto your hand. And I hope you have lots of fun making this very simple bracelet. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for lots of fun craft projects.